Stop scrolling. If you are learning coding right now, this video can save your career. Everyone is saying one thing. The whole world, majority of the people are saying one thing. AI is coming and the developers are losing jobs. But do you think that is it really true? It is just a fear spreading on the internet. Let me be honest with you. Yes, of course, IT layoffs are happening. Yes, AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, Cursor can write the code, and as of course, many beginners are confused about it. But here is the truth. No one is telling you. Guys, AI is not replacing developers, it is replacing average developers. If you only copy paste the code, and even if you don't understand fundamentals, and if you are depending only on the tutorials, yes, AI will replace you. But if you're a smart thinker, if you're a smart person, AI can become your biggest advantage. In 2026, you need 3 things to survive in IT. One is strong fundamentals. Don't skip basics like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, core Java, core Python, all the concepts, because AI gives you answers, but you need to understand them first. And the second important thing is problem solving. Guys, you have to build problem solving techniques. Companies don't hire coders, they hire problem solvers. Start practicing real world problems, real world projects, build something which is useful. And the third important thing is learn AI tools. Don't ignore it. Use AI like a weapon, not like a replacement. Use ChatGPT to learn faster, debug smarter, improve productivity. Guys, listen, the market is not dead, but the competition has become smarter. Earlier, average skilled person were enough, but now the companies are looking for a person who has clarity, consistency, and real skills. If you are serious about getting job in IT in 2026, don't fear about AI. Master it and use it. Grow with it. Again, I'm repeating, master it, use it, and grow with it, because the future does not belong to the coders. It belongs to the smart developers like you. Subscribe for a real IT career guidance. No fake promises, only real content. Thank you so much for watching.